Hello, my name is Lily and I'm going to be going over my internship with you. I was working with Redstone Residential. They manage student properties throughout the U.S. and in Canada, over 14,000 beds total. Their home base is here in Utah, and so a little bit about my internship. I love internships. And this quote kind of goes over it, why I think they're so important. It says, people never learn anything by being told. They have to find out for themselves. And we do a lot of learning, a lot of reading, and discussing things in class, but we kind of have to get out there and learn for ourselves. And that was just a picture of me standing outside of one of the offices I managed. So the mission for Redstone Residential was to create happiness for residents, clients, and employees through clear communication and world-class customer service. So that was my main focus through this internship, helping my residents, the owners who are the clients, and I managed a team of 5 people, making sure everyone was, happy and feeling fulfilled in what they were doing, especially as an employee. I think that's important. So the makings for this internship, so Redstone Residential, actually the opportunity kind of fell in my lap. I was working for another company and they are just growing so much, and management switched over to Redstone Residential. And so I decided to hop on board with them, and they've given me a lot of learning opportunities. The process for going with Redstone, the process started. They were looking for employees to transfer over from the old management, and I applied, and we sat down, we had an interview, and we talked about the experiences I had, and they decided to kind of take me on and give me that opportunity in this internship. Previous experiences would just be, I've been doing property management since I started college, and really it's a job that you have to have experience in. You can't just jump in there. There's a lot to learn that you have to learn through experience and being firsthand. So working with other management groups really definitely gave me a foot in the door. They value that experience that I did have. Looking to the future, I just think I'll keep growing with this. As time goes on, I'll probably grow to be a manager over lots of properties, and my advice would be just, stick with what you love. It's never going to be easy, but if you really love what you do, look at what you enjoy and focus on the good and keep on going with it.